I'm the odds.
Dave, Dave, this was an 18 hours. No, this is an 18 hours that happened the other day on that boat or the other one. 33 head of groupers. That's a ton of fish here. Look at that. That's insane. 30 boat. I don't know how to do that. Bring out your dead. Got your dead. Bring out your dead.
Say 11 pounds.
Back on the good. Okay.
That's what I say.
Nice king mackerel. Who caught that? I did. Yes. Time is what happened to my watch? I mean, oh, there it is. Behind me. 220. Fish weighs 11.4.
You was on it, man.
King mackerel, tardy boat.
Yeah. Woo-woo. Get up there, let me get a picture.
Yeah, I've caught enough fish to know about what they weigh. Well, you was thinking 11 too, so
Yeah,
we both was on it.
Go to the other side. Get that wire out of your face. Go to the other side. There you go.
Got it.
I actually fished on that boat yesterday.
And then we
Well, day before yesterday.
went on American Spirit every time. We've always done real well.
Well, I was going to go on American Spirit Saturday, but they had it leased out to a kids club, so I couldn't go. So I went out on the Destin. I went out on that boat Saturday.
Now the last
All right.
time before, like we come down in May and October, but we went out on the Innkeeper, and they picked us up there at the inn at Destin Harbor, and we caught
Yeah.
9, 10 pound. We didn't catch nothing that nice, but we caught some snapper, you know.
I actually caught about 20 Saturday. I had a triggerfish go about 5
Yeah,
pounds.
see, I hadn't caught a big trigger, about 4.
But we weighed a 6-pound trigger in Saturday. A lady caught it.
And you know, when I lived in Clearwater Beach when I was a kid, they threw them triggerfish over on dock, nobody wanted them. And then all the locals learned that you could clean them. And,
Yes.
And my aunt, she had this old flat piece of iron or steel. And she'd just batter them up a little bit and just fry them on that. Man. But now, of course, everybody wants them.
Well, I seen a commercial boat come in this morning with all kind of red grouper and red snapper and all that, and they had triggerfish in there too.
Yeah.
So even the commercials are keeping the triggerfish now.
See, that's always made me mad. We can't, they can.
And that's
Yeah, we went over to the ball and stayed over there for 3 days and goofed off. And we were supposed to come last week. Weather was